Hey guys, it's 680 CFM, 190 mile an hour winds, strong enough to get the job done? Stick around, let's find out. I was sent over this cordless blower from Sihuird, Sihuird. We'll get it opened up and try it out. See what we have in the box here. Have our instruction manual here, battery charger, one attachment, two attachments, 21 volt battery, and then we'll have another battery that comes with two batteries, and the blower itself, pretty nice looking. The battery's going to go right here, just like so. We have our power button. Oh, then you have your speed adjustment. That's low, medium, and high, and then turbo. Okay, the turbo button, you're going to have to hold it down for turbo, but that's okay to keep the battery from going down so quick. Seems like it's going to do the job really well. Let's add some attachments on here and put it to the test. I'm calling them attachments. Actually, they're just extensions off of here, and it does have the quick release right here. Okay, it looks like the release is going to be facing the top towards the handle here. Slide it, lock it in there. Same thing with this one, towards the top. There we go. Okay, let's try it out. This is all gravel right here and a little bit of mud and dirt. So we'll see. That's on low. Blowing it around pretty good. That's number 2, like medium speed. That does the job right there. And 3, high. And let's go for turbo. I believe that is going to do the job. We just had a pretty good rain earlier this morning, so this stuff is all wet, but let's try it. Oh wow, it's going to get it anyway. A little extra work, but it's, as you can see, it's kind of mud. Not really just loose stuff. And that's what a leaf blower is for, is loose. There's something else too. On the battery, you can push in that little button right there. Maybe you can see that. And it'll tell you how much power you have left remaining in your battery. That's a nice little feature there. Well, there you have it. The 680 CFM, 190 mile per hour winds will definitely get the job done. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order your very own. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.